Blow your cake. Before I sleep. Oh.
You can eat. What? What?
Tomorrow, I will eat. Tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Blow your cake first. It's for you.
Oh, you were writing what? Happy Picasserie? What?
Happy PKs.
شكرا
Correct.
ليك كل شيء. Wow! What?
Correct. I search.
Yeah.
And then I ask my friend if it's correct.
شكرا ليك على كل شيء.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Wow.
Oh no. Wait, you have to blow your cake
That's
before I sleep. I was already gonna sleep, I was already lying down, and then I said, "Oh, she's live. I will let her blow her cake."
You make me shy.
Why?
I don't know.
One, two. Oh, one more.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm even saying.
1, 2, 3. There. I just
Wow.
wanted to pass by before I was gonna sleep
Yeah,
because
go.
I have to wake up early tomorrow, but I was gonna pass by. So at least you got to blow your cake already.
Yeah, I know you should.
You look very nice today in pink.
Thank you.
I hope I will reach you again tomorrow. I'm very thankful to have met you, Gazelle. I will see you again tomorrow. I just passed by. See you.
See
Take
you.
care. Enjoy your day.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.